What's up guys, it's Jeff with iDownload Blog. I am talking about Sleek Sleep right now. Yes, S-L-E-E-K, S-L-E-E-P. What this tweak does is allows you to swipe on the proximity sensor or within the vicinity of the proximity sensor and wake your device and put your device to sleep just like this. Swipe, swipe, wake, and then swipe, swipe, go to sleep. Just like that. Super simple jailbreak tweak. And you can set it up in the stock settings app. You'll find the kill switch at the top of the screen. You have sensor insomnia, disable when calling, portrait only, and activator event. Now the insomnia basically keeps the proximity sensor running, which yes, it can drain your battery life, of course. There are thresholds at the bottom you can set up as well. This does require an iPhone because the iPhone has the proximity sensor, which allows you to use it as a virtual sleep button. It also requires iOS 6 or iOS 7. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is